Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, here at my new setup where I'm going to be doing live streaming and all that kind of stuff. I've actually switched all my streaming over to my Mac, which is why I have this. This is the Elgato Camlink 4K. The Canon software was not working well with my Mac, so picked this up on Amazon. It is renewed, as you can see here. So we're going to check it out and see what exactly we get for renewed. It was about $20 cheaper. Which actually is not why I bought it renewed. I bought it renewed because it got here sooner and I need this for something tomorrow. So it does come in what appears to be a Corsair Elgato box. It's got the branding on the back here, so I'm not too sure. It looks like this may be a manufacturer refurbished, or maybe like a return or something like that. So we're going to open it up and see the condition, that kind of stuff. I have bought Amazon renewed stuff in the past. I actually got 2 Amazon renewed iPhones, so they were both in excellent condition, so not really too worried about buying Amazon renewed items anymore. I think the pin broke that I was using to cut with, so we're gonna try something a little more sturdy. Oh, there's another sticker under there, so there we go. Alright, so as you can see here, it is an Elgato box for sure, but we do have the Amazon renewed paperwork in here, so let's take a look and just see what that says. It kind of just tells you about it right there. There's no like testing information or anything like that like there was with the iPhone. We have your limited 90-day warranty from Digital Outlet Inc., iTech Mall, which that was the actual seller on Amazon. So here we go. Looks like everything is here. We have the USB extension cable right there. So if you need to plug it in like the back of a computer or something like that, and this doesn't directly fit in, you can use this extension and plug the Camlink into the end here. We've got a sticker right there, and that appears to be it. So it looks like it doesn't have any instructions or anything like that, which is completely fine. But I mean, yeah, it looks like an Elgato Camlink box. I'm not sure if this is like an original box because it's got this big sticker on the front or whatnot, but whatever, I don't care what the box looks like. And then we have the Camlink in this little baggie here. So looks new. There's nothing really on it. There's no, like, the end's not all scratched up or anything like that. We do have a QC Pass sticker right there, which probably is not factory. That's probably something to do with that. It does look like somebody Sharpied over the serial number for some reason, because there is definitely a Sharpie mark right here. So that's kind of weird, but yeah. So the serial number has been marked out for whatever reason, but we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna plug it into my computer, and I'll be using this next stream when I have my camera set up. So there is the Camlink 4K renewed from Amazon. Like I said, it comes with the cable and everything, so pretty good deal. Like I said, I only got this renewed because I got it sooner than buying brand new. So it only saved me about 20 bucks, but we're going to try it out in the next stream, like I said, and I'll let you guys know how it is working then. If you guys are seeing this video, then everything went well, and I haven't had any issues with it. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.